Hi, my name is Kate Graham and I am here to talk to you today about the upcoming sessions, plural, on Women in Learning at Learning Technologies 2020. I'm wearing a bobble hat because it's my day off, and as a lot of women and men are in their professional lives trying to juggle everything, and you know, the struggle is real. People want to get to the top, but things get in the way. That might be personal lives, that might be discrimination or imbalance, and that's what this session is all about. We're bringing together leading women across the industry, so from the likes of in-house practitioners at Credit Suisse and Legal & General to renowned experts like Jane Daly and Laurie Niles-Hoffman, and we are creating two sessions, one which is informal roundtable talks and one on day 2 which is a more formal workshop session. So join us lunchtime of day 1 and lunchtime of day 2. More details will be coming out in the build up to the show about how you can book onto the roundtable sessions, but do just please show up to the workshop on day 2. Hashtag Women in Learning is where you'll find all the details on social media, and of course hashtag LT2020UK, and I look forward to seeing you there.